Everywhere I go, she is with me. On the top of a mountain, on my very own street, in the middle of the sea, she is with me. She, the storm. She observes me, loves me, awaits for me, as much I do it for her. Yes, the storm is a woman, and she chases me like she was my shadow. The storm is a woman. She, the storm, is my shadow, and with this big ass, she dances like Sibylla, seducing me. Inviting me to this endless chase, where the great reward is to look her in the eyes, like a mirror. And then face the dark, the fear, the strength, the beauty, and the risk. And then accept the pain. She observes me, loves me, awaits for me. Embrace the danger to be alive and celebrate.